Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another tablescape for Mother's Day. It will be a tea party tablescape. And with this one I've decided to go, I guess, a little sleek. You're going to see silvers and whites, and I'm going to be taking out my husband's family's silver tea set, which I love. And it's going to be pretty and very inviting. And for all the mothers out there, I welcome you and invite you all to sit at my table for tea. So I hope you enjoy it. And I am doing this collaboration with Grandma Sandy and Glamour Ellen, two awesome creators that I'm always so happy to work with. They're a joy. I hope you'll visit their channels. I will link their channels down below in my description box, and I hope you'll visit them. I will also put the playlist in my description box so that you can watch everyone's video in this collaboration. It was an open invitation for any and all creators to join us. So I hope you enjoy it. So here we go. We're starting off our tablescape with this deep silver, sort of shimmery tablecloth that I have. It could even possibly be considered sort of a deep gray. And then to that, I'm going to add my famous white scarf. You guys have seen me use this often in my displays, and I'm just placing it sort of messily down the center of our table. And then I'm adding these natural colored placemats, one at each of the 4 settings at the middle of the table. To that, I'm adding these silver chargers. And then to the chargers, I'm adding just plain white china. The majority of this tablescape will be silver and white. And then at each end of our table, rather than our round white china, I decided to change it up a little and put square dishes. And then our clear salad plates on top. And then you'll see that at the heads of the table, I decided to go ahead and add a black placemat, and I added some white napkins and again some glass salad plates. Here I'm placing down the saucers of our teacup and saucer sets, placing down our teacups. And you will note that I'm placing the handle of each teacup at 2 p.m. This is apparently the proper way to place a teacup. And then these real silver little teaspoons with our teapots adorning the end of them. Our glassware and our cutlery. Now, when I go out with my girlfriends to a tea room, every tea starts off with a glass of champagne. That's why I have our champagne glasses there. Silver cutlery. And now, finally, the center of the table, I've placed down this white pedestal with my mother-in-law's silver teapot and it's real silver, so it's got a bit of a patina on it. I love this teapot so much. It's so pretty. I've placed down this little stand here with a white doily on top. And what I'll be placing on top of that is the creamer and sugar that goes with the teapot. Now, to finish off the center here, this really pretty silver candelabra and pink candles. Now, you may ask, why pink candles? There's nothing else on this table that's pink. Well, I've added these beautiful pink roses. I think nothing says Mother's Day to me like pink roses. I think they're just so beautiful, and they add just that little perfect touch of color that this tablescape needs. And I almost forgot my white linen napkins with our silver napkin ring with the teapot on the napkin rings there. And this is our tablescape.